Okay, so we've just used Kiara into this next location. Now you can see that she's lit up from this ice light. And again, I'm just going to try and get head and shoulders here. And basically what I'm going to shoot at is 1/25 of a second. And I'm going to use ISO 800 and I'm on face detect. Okay, you can just drop your top a minute. Tape it off, yep. Oh, beautiful. Gorgeous, Kiara. Love it. Now come in and play with your hair. So that's it, beautiful. Now lean against that back wall, so lean right against, that's it, stay there. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Okay. All right, so what I'm going to do here, I've looked at these lights that are standing right behind Kiara here, and I want to basically blur those lights right off. So I am going to have to shoot wide open, and I'll just play around with my ISO, and I'll show you the result that I'm actually after when we're getting this. I have got it lit here with Karen's holding that ice light. Can you hold that just up a touch, Karen? Like that, that's it. Yeah, like that. All right, so look this way. So the closer I get to Kiara, the more those lights are going to be out of focus in the background. And then you'll see the results that I'm getting here. Now, if I find that she's too front lit, do that. Look this way, Kiara. That's it. Stand like that. Beautiful. Let me come back a fraction. That's beautiful, Kiara. Look up like that. That was really pretty. Gorgeous. Sorry?
Do you use the barn doors almost all the time on that?
No, not always. Yeah, just if I want to control it like this, because it's so dark. Yeah. All right, guys, have a shoot. So, okay, so I'm putting Kiara basically in front of this window here, and we're on 1/25 of a second, f1.8, and I'm on ISO 800. Kiara, look this way for a second. That's it. Beautiful. Karen, can you do me a favour? Can you pop out on this side and then shine it straight into Kiara's face? Come a bit closer, a bit back a bit. That's it, stay there. Yep. Face that way a bit more, Kiara. Just try that, yeah. That's about it, I think. Is that on full power? Can I just have a look?
That's better.
That's brighter.
Yeah.
Yep. So basically I've got the ice light lighting her up, and it's got the barn doors on. Okay, can we have your jacket a second, Kiara? Yep. So lean back there. Beautiful. Now grab the bars, so grab onto the bars and you're going to basically lean like
lean off.
This.
So I'm going to face you.
All right, yeah, so go like that basically, all right? So lean right out, yeah, like that, yeah, perfect. Beautiful. All right, can you hop up there? So hop up.
Stand up.
Yep.
Lean or no?
Yeah, grab now, lean right out. So lean right out this way. That's it. Yeah, bring your hand right out, that's it, love it. All right, so fire away, guys, if you're going to get this. Okay, perfect. Has everyone got it? All right, hop down now, Kiara. So come this way. Now again, guys, I'm going to use fairly close here, and it should blow all of that background out. So look this way. Beautiful. Close your eyes, look sort of down. Pretty. Straight at me. Lovely. Let me just take a couple that way. Beautiful. All right, we're going to use smoke in a minute. We're going to set off some smoke bombs. So all bend down and fire away. I've got a flash too.